What's good, guys? Today we're going to be using sound breathing. Hold up, I'm lagging. Sound breathing. Come on. Oh my god. Why am I so laggy? Yeah, no way. Dang, that's like.
Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Yeah, but it's Taco Bell is nuggets, right? Yeah. And value fire ranch is awesome. Not chicken place. That's good. The taco place is good nuggets. Oh, we didn't eat. It's cool to both, right? Are they okay? I don't think so. We're totally a taco place. That's a chicken place. That's also a taco place.
Okay, sorry. I'm taking back what the enemy stole. Dang, I don't know. But yeah, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be using sound. Let's get into the video, shall we? Get back here. Get back here. Rushing out. Dang. What? Cute. Come on now. I missed that. I missed that guy. What in the world? What the? Yep. What is going on? Why are you running? He was just standing on me. I apologize. I don't know if that was a signal on part. I'm not talking. I'm really focused. No, get off me. Nothing about it. Hey, 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 I hate the note anymore. Not talk about the phone. We talk about my voice. I was trying to hit the high note though. My voice cracked. Alright, come on now. Where do you think you're going? I won't even lie. Like, counted to sound is definitely sun, water, thunder, flame, and definitely, well, okay, maybe not flame, but kind of flame. It depends on good, but definitely love. Take it running. Nah, I'm done, bro. I'm done with you. Yeah, she got that. She got that. I don't got something. Wow. Okay. 13 attack. 13 attack. Ooh. Oh my gosh, they fair need to chillax. Why are you pressing me? Why are you keeping me? I can't, bro. You know, one of my reasons got a heal? Heal? Is that her? Yes. Okay. Oh, God. Bacon! Oh, Bacon's a noob? You got that. But I'm gonna take it. Okay, well, I apologize, young bacons. I thought he was able to pay. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but I'm listening to music in the background, which is why I'm singing randomly. Oh my gosh, broken run. But respectfully, if I was running away from teamers. Oh, hold up. What? He was running because he was low. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. Oh. Oh. He lost. Crazy. But respectfully, I would kill because I logged it. That I lost sometimes. Because, like, if I start a fight, if I become laggy, I'm like, oh my gosh, my team, they're talking to, I'm done, you know? I mean, I'm leaving. I'm like, I can't miss that. Decent combo. Okay. I think this video has gone on for wait, only 14 minutes? Wait, so you mean to tell me he logged and came back? Just been looking for me the whole entire time. I'm about to get cooked. What? Nah, I'm running. Let me pick it. Oh my god. What? He blocked. We got the joint. Hey, he logged on me. I'm sure I got the kill now. I'm dipping. He's fast. He's fast. He's fast. I don't know if he can catch me though. I'm pretty fast myself this time. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, Suzuki's. Go, 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 go. Dang. I juked him. I know y'all saw that Juki, bro. I looked so bad. I crossed it. Oh my gosh. He didn't even see me. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. That was the greatest juke of all time. Of all time. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and test it and just like go ahead and test it. You know what? Video over. Thank you for watching.